Hey everyone, and welcome back to our deep dive into the magical world of Winx Club. Today we're breaking down Season 2, Episode 12, The Truth Comes Closer, and let me tell you, the title does not lie. This episode is an absolute turning point, and the tension is dialed all the way up to 11. So, let's get right into it. The episode kicks off with Tecna and Timmy putting their brilliant minds together. They've been suspicious of Professor Avalon for a while, and now they've finally got some solid digital evidence. Their investigation uncovers some seriously shady data trails connected to Avalon, confirming what we've all been thinking. This guy is definitely not who he says he is. This discovery sends a ripple of unease through the group, especially for Bloom. Speaking of Bloom, this episode is a heartbreaker for her. She realizes that her trust in Avalon was completely misplaced. He's been playing her like a fiddle, using her emotions and her desire to find her birth parents to manipulate her. We see her wrestling with this betrayal, and it's a powerful moment. She's not just angry, she's hurt, confused, and questioning her own judgment. It's a classic case of emotional manipulation, and watching her navigate that internal conflict is intense. She poured her heart out to this guy, shared her deepest secrets, and it was all part of a larger, darker scheme. Of course, just as the Winx are processing this bombshell, Alfea comes under attack. A new menacing creature is unleashed on the school, and it's pure chaos. This is where the episode really shines, though. In the face of this immediate threat, there's no time for doubt or division. The Winx and the Specialists have to snap into action, and they do it flawlessly. We get some amazing battle sequences where they combine their powers and skills. It's a fantastic reminder that when they stand together, they are practically unbeatable. This sense of unity is the core strength of our heroes, and it's on full display here. They might be dealing with internal drama, but when danger calls, they are one solid team. And who's behind all this chaos? You guessed it. The Trix are lurking in the shadows, enjoying every second of the mayhem they've caused. This attack wasn't just random, it was a calculated move. They're the puppet masters pulling the strings, testing the defenses of Alfea, and more specifically targeting Bloom. We learn that this is all part of a much bigger plan. They're not just after a quick victory. They're setting the stage for their ultimate goal, to steal the Dragon Flame. The plot is thickening, and the Trix are proving once again that they are formidable and cunning villains, always one step ahead. This episode masterfully balances character development with high-stakes action. Bloom's personal journey of betrayal and self-doubt is incredibly compelling, and it adds so much depth to her character. At the same time, the combined strength of the Winx and Specialists gives us those epic feel-good moments of teamwork and heroism. It sets up the rest of the season perfectly. Now we know there's a traitor in their midst, the Trix are closing in, and the true battle for the Dragon Flame is about to begin. The stakes have never been higher. What did you all think of this episode? Were you shocked by the Avalon reveal, or did you see it coming? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. It was an absolute roller coaster, and I can't wait to see what happens next. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Winx Club content. See you in the next video.